Sometimes I am the problem, unfortunately. This was something I had to learn last year. I kept running into the same issue in my friendships. I would make a friend and I would think that they're this great friend, and then before I knew it, I would be getting walked on and the whole friendship just would go south. And at first I was just like, ugh, this sucks, like why can't I pick the right friend? But finally, after it had happened a couple of times, I was like, well, clearly I am the common denominator in these situations. And yes, while these friends were doing and saying things that were unkind, I had some fault in it too. Because clearly I was not setting boundaries where I needed to set boundaries. Like if I had set the proper boundaries, I probably could have prevented it from getting to this point. And if this had just happened with like one friend, okay, sure, maybe it was just that person. But because this happened a few times, I was like, okay, I need to be doing some introspection at this point. And that's when I realized that I was not good about setting boundaries, like, at all. While it does suck to know that like I'm part of the problem, it's also a little bit freeing in a way, because before I realized I was part of the problem, I felt like I had no real power in the situation. I thought everything was on the other person, so there's nothing I could do to fix the situation. But once I realized I had my own errors in the situation, I felt like I had a little bit more control. And being aware of my faults is gonna help me break the cycle so I don't keep getting in friendships where I keep letting this happen. So yes, it sucks to be part of the problem, but it's also very freeing and very helpful.